Every driver knows how dangerous blind spots can be, especially during lane changes, merging, or reversing in busy traffic. These wide-angle blind spot mirrors are designed to give you a clearer, broader view of what standard side mirrors often miss. From the moment they are installed, they help eliminate blind spots and increase awareness of surrounding vehicles, making every drive feel more controlled and confident. The advanced convex design delivers a wide viewing angle that expands your field of vision on both sides of the car. With 360-degree rotation and up to 20 degrees of adjustable sway, you can easily position each mirror to match your driving style and vehicle setup. This flexibility allows you to see approaching cars, motorcycles, or obstacles more clearly, helping reduce the risk of collisions during lane changes or parking maneuvers. Built for long-term use, these blind spot mirrors are made with durable, waterproof materials and clear HD glass that resists haze over time. Strong 3M adhesive backing ensures they stay firmly in place once installed, even in changing weather conditions. Installation takes only seconds, yet the added visibility continues to provide benefits every time you drive. Designed with universal compatibility in mind, these mirrors are suitable for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and vans. They can be mounted on exterior side mirrors or used inside the vehicle as a rear view aid, making them useful for monitoring passengers or improving rear visibility. Their compact rectangular shape blends seamlessly with most mirror designs without blocking your main view. Each pack includes 2 blind spot mirrors and is backed by a 1-year warranty along with a full refund option within 60 days for added peace of mind. If you want a simple upgrade that significantly improves visibility and helps you drive with greater confidence, click the product link in the video description to learn more and make your purchase. Subscribe to the channel for more smart automotive safety accessories and helpful reviews.